Welcome back to Little House in the South. Today we're going to be making soap together. I'm going to show you how you can involve your toddlers in one of the money-saving tricks I've found over the years, and that's to make our own soaps. So for this project, you're going to need melt and pour soap, which is something you can order online. There are many different retailers that carry it. It comes in these big blocks, but they're clear soap base. And this is already made soap. It's just uncolored and unscented. And all you're going to do is you need a microwavable container to melt it down in, and you can melt it either in the microwave or in a double boiler on your stove. And then I have some colorants and some scents because I made soap for a while. You can use glitter, you can use anything like that. There's lots of different things that are, you want to make sure you get cosmetic grade glitters if you use glitters. You can use anything for a mold. I have a few fun molds. This one is a star and a heart that we're going to use. And you can use silicone molds from the grocery store or from the kitchen aisle and use those. You just don't ever want to use these for food after you've used them for soap. So we have a couple of those types of things that we're going to use, but you can really use anything, even these like plastic containers. You can melt the soap down and let it harden back in one of these containers and just use a circular bar of soap that way. Alright, so to get started, we're just going to melt this down and then we're going to let the kids color it. They've already picked out their colors and their scents, so we'll melt this down and we'll show you how that works. Alright, so once you've heated up your soap, you want to start off with 10 to 20 seconds and then go like for 5 or 10 seconds at a time after that, because if the soap begins to boil, it scalds and starts to smell funny. So what we're going to do is we're going to, Gracie, you wanted pink first, right? I'm sure a few of you probably guessed what her first color was going to be.
Her first color was going to be pink.
We're just going to put a little bit of pink in there. Okay. And then I need you to be very careful because it's hot. I want you to stir that up, okay? Very careful. And if you buy colorants like these micas, these are a little bit hard to mix in, so sometimes you might need a little bit of help, or you can mix it with a little bit of olive oil or something like that before you mix it into the soap. It is sparkly. Let me just get some of the sparkles off the side. And what did you want the scent to be? The cookie one or the strawberry one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, okay.
Strawberry. Strawberries are my favorite.
Strawberries are your favorite?
Yeah, they're my favorite.
Right, so we're just gonna do a little tiny bit of the strawberries now. Okay, you wanna mix that in for me, Gracie? Very careful.
Can I smell it? That smells
Smell
funky.
good?
Yep, that smells
And then, all right, now we're gonna careful, pour your pink soap
into the heart.
Okay, don't bump me, okay?
Don't spill it.
And there we go. We have a pink heart soap. And now, you want to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol in the spray bottle. And if you spray the top, it gets rid of all of the bubbles on top so that it's a nice smooth finish. Oh, don't get your hair in it. Slide this over here to cool down and harden up. We're going to do purple next.
I want lime.
Okay, so we'll do lime next. And are you going to do which color are you going to make the lime one?
This one.
Okay, here's yours. And you wanted the lime, right? All right, so same process, but you might be able to see it a little bit better that time. Now the soap base is melted. You can see it in there, it's just liquid soap. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of our lime scented, or our lime scent. A little bit of the lime in there. Okay, and then our glue.
Mommy, can I mix it in? It almost kind of looks like a candy rock.
It looks like your rock candy?
Uh-huh.
It does look like the blue rock candy you had.
Huh?
All right, and just mix up your color in there. beautiful.
Look, Mommy.
Good job. All right. So now we're gonna pour this into the blue star, So as you can see, in about 20 minutes, we've made how many bars of soap, Nathan? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 bars of soap.
Uh-huh.
And it's a very simple project that the kids can do. They have a lot of fun with it, and we're gonna have fun in the bathtub with it, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does yours smell like, Gracie? What's this one smell like?
It tastes like watermelon.
It tastes like watermelon? I think it's strawberry.
I want to smell mine.
Well, we can't move it yet. We gotta let it harden. What's this one smell like, Nathan?
It smells like cucumber and lemon.
Cucumber melon? Yeah. I like the scents you guys picked. Those are really good.
Mommy, can I smell the purple one?
Yeah, you can smell the purple one. Cleanup's really easy because honestly it's soap that's spilled, so you can scrub off the table really easily. It's not a problem. A tip I would have is to probably lay everything out ahead of time before you get your toddlers involved. Unless you have kids that are a little bit older, it made things a lot easier for me to have everything ready to go before the kids came in the room. And on top of that, just have fun and create and have fun and let your kids kind of decide what they want to do with it and decide what colors they want and what scents they want, and then they have more fun with it, and they're going to have much more fun using it later on for bath time if you have a toddler who does not like taking a bath. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope you have lots of fun creating with your toddlers. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please hit that big red subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
I like my pink heart.
Did you have fun?
Oh, yeah, we had fun today, and we had fun making crafts, so we're going to talk to you later.
We're going to talk to them later.